Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you secure your financial future with our online template kits. Sometimes, when someone is making a financial agreement, they are reluctant to divulge their financial information to the other party. While this may be the case, it is a legal requirement for each party to fully and honestly disclose all material matters. You may be wondering why this disclosure is necessary. For starters, full and honest disclosure ensures that each party is giving fully informed consent to the agreement. Any information which could have a bearing on a party's decision as to whether they should enter into the agreement must be disclosed. In addition, disclosure enables a lawyer to give full and meaningful advice to their client. As required by the Family Law Act, each party must receive independent legal advice about the agreement for it to be binding. As you can imagine, it would be difficult for a lawyer to give adequate advice if they weren't aware of all the relevant information. Parties should be warned that withholding material information is a type of fraud. This includes where a party fails to disclose the true extent or value of their assets. The court has the power to set aside a financial agreement in these circumstances. So, what can you do to ensure full disclosure of material matters? Usually, a financial agreement will contain attachments in the form of tables. Within these tables, each party must make sure they identify their asset pool, place values on their asset pool, and include any other material information which may impact the other party's decision to enter into the agreement. While you do not need to obtain formal valuations for each asset, any estimate of value must be genuine and reasonable. If you are unsure about whether something needs to be disclosed, it's always best to err on the side of caution. For more information on financial agreements and disclosure, check out our article linked below or contact us today for a free and confidential chat.